Hello students, welcome back to our tutorial. So today we will be doing Act 5 Scene 4. In this scene, we will see that the English army is led by Malcolm and Macduff. They approach the Dunsinane Hill where Macbeth's forces are entrenched. The scene showcases the preparation for the battle with the English army using branches from the Birnam wood to camouflage their approach. The scene will also highlight the impending confrontation between Macbeth's forces and the English army. So let's get started. So in this scene, we have Malcolm, Old Siward, Young Siward, Macduff, Menteith, Katniss, Agus, Lennox, Ross, soldiers enter marching with a drummer and flag. So these are the men in Malcolm's army. So they are going to fight a battle with Macbeth, and they are here just few miles away from Macbeth's castle in Dunsinane. Okay. It starts now. Here we will see some of the conversations between these men, okay, these soldiers. First, Malcolm says, "Cousins, I hope the days are near at hand that Chambers will be safe." He says, "Brothers, I hope that the good days are very near at our hand and the Chambers means the Scotland or the people of Scotland will be safe soon." To this, Menteith says, "Of course, there is no doubt. Without it, nothing. The people of Scotland are going to be at peace." Okay. To this, Siward asks, "What wood is this before us?" Which forest? Wood here refers to forest. Which forest is this before us? Now they were very near to Macbeth's castle, and just they were about to cross a forest, and the forest was in front of them. They did not know the name of the forest. To this, Menteith says that yes, this is the wood of Birnam. This is the Birnam forest. Okay. Now we have come across this Birnam forest many times, and first of all, we know that this Birnam forest was mentioned by the three witches while professing about Macbeth's future, saying that the Birnam forest is going to move towards the Dunsinane Hill, then only Macbeth will be harmed. Otherwise, Macbeth is completely safe. He doesn't need to worry. Now, Malcolm says, "Let every soldier hew him down a bow and bear it before him. There shall be we shadow the number of our hosts and make discovery ere in report us." Now here Malcolm says that every soldier must have a branch. They are going to camouflage, in the forest. They are going to move while holding a branch in front of them. Why? Because they will be hiding behind the bushes and nobody will be able to know the number of soldiers they have in their army. So it will give a false report to Macbeth's army. Therefore, Macbeth's army won't be prepared for such a huge army that is going to come towards them and attack. So this is their own tactics in order to defeat Macbeth. Okay. तो इस सीन में हम देखेंगे कि मैल्कॉम अपने पूरे आर्मी के साथ मैकडफ, मेंथाइट और पूरे इंग्लिश आर्मी के साथ आ चुका है युद्ध के लिए स्कॉटलैंड के तरफ, और इन सैनिकों के बीच में जो भी बातचीत होगी वो हम इस सीन में देखेंगे। तो चलो पहले मैल्कॉम यहाँ पे कहता है कि भाइयों, मुझे उम्मीद है कि अच्छे दिन बहुत ही करीब है और हमारे जो लोग हैं स्कॉटलैंड के वो बहुत ही जल्द सुरक्षित हो जाएंगे। वो ऐसे क्यों कहता है? क्योंकि उन्हें यकीन होता है कि वो जो है जंग जीत जाएंगे और जो स्कॉटलैंड के लोग हैं वो तानाशाही जो मैकबेथ है उनसे बचा लेंगे स्कॉटलैंड को। अब मेंथाइट इस पे कहता है इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, ये तो बिल्कुल सही बात है। इस पे सिवॉर्ड जो है वो पूछता है ये कौन सा जंगल है हमारे सामने, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही करीब आ चुके होते हैं, अब बस कुछ ही दूरी पर होते हैं मैकबेथ के कैसल यानी कि किले से, और एक जंगल होता है उनके सामने जो जंगल उन्हें पार करना होता है। और इसी पे मेंथाइट उसे कहता है कि ये बिरनाम फॉरेस्ट है। अच्छा, बिरनाम जो फॉरेस्ट है इसे हमने पहले भी देखा है। जो तीनों चुड़ैल थी जब भविष्यवाणी कर रही थी वो मैकबेथ के बारे में, तब उन्होंने इस फॉरेस्ट का, इस जंगल का नाम लिया था और कहा था कि ये जो जंगल है जब तक ये खुद चल के जो डंसिनेन नाम का जो पहाड़ है या फिर जहाँ पे मैकबेथ का कैसल है वहां तक खुद नहीं पहुंच जाता, तब तक मैकबेथ बिल्कुल ही सुरक्षित है। तो इस पे मैल्कॉम कहता है लेट एवरी सोल्जर, यानी कि हर सोल्जर, हर सैनिक जो है उन्हें वो कहता है कि एक टहनी काट ले, मतलब पेड़ का एक टहनी काट ले और उसे अपने सामने आगे लेकर चले। क्यों? ताकि वो उन्हें सुरक्षा देगी, यानी कि वो छिप के चल सकेंगे, आगे बढ़ सकेंगे छिपते छिपते। और ये छिपने से क्या होगा? जो मैकबेथ की आर्मी है वो इनके सैनिक में कितने सोल्जर्स की संख्या है उनका पता नहीं लगा पाएंगे, और इस प्रकार से इनकी संख्या जो है बहुत ही अनगिनत रहेगी और वो काबू कर पाएंगे मैकबेथ की आर्मी पे, क्योंकि मैकबेथ असफल रह जाएगा अपनी सैनिक को बढ़ाने में, क्योंकि उसके पास सटीक गिनती नहीं होगी ना कि इनके सोल्जर्स कितने हैं, तो उस तरीके से इनकी आर्मी जो है आगे ही रह जाएगी। नेक्स्ट, here soldiers, it shall be done. So soldiers say, of course it will be done, sir. Siward will learn no other but confident tyrant keeps still in Dunsinane and will endure our setting down before. Now this Siward says that he knows that this tyrant, means the ruler Macbeth, is still there in his Dunsinane castle, and he is not going to move out of the castle because he is there safely, surrounded by his own soldiers. And he says that until and unless they are going to surround him, surround his castle, he is not going to move out of his Dunsinane castle. Now Malcolm says, "'Tis his main hope, for where there is advantage to be given, both more and less have given him the revolt, and none serve him but constrained things whose heart are absent too." Now Malcolm says that the greatest hope, this is the greatest hope, that they don't have to find or search for Macbeth. He is going to remain in his castle, and it will be easier for Malcolm's army to defeat the Macbeth's army, because they know where is Macbeth. He is of course in his castle safely residing. He says that those who were there in his army, the Thanes that were there, the more or less means the more, means the powerful ones, the Thanes, and the less means the ordinary ones, the people of Scotland. Both, once they got a chance to leave this place, they have abandoned him. They have moved out of the place of Macbeth's army. And the ones, those who are there currently serving Macbeth, are just because out of fear, maybe serving out of force. Forcefully they are made to serve Macbeth, or maybe they are heartless, means that their heart is absent, like how Macbeth has become heartless. Similarly, those who are serving him are also heartless, he says. Here, Macduff, let our just censure attend the true events, and put we on industrious soldiers. Now Macduff says that let us not judge the events before they unfold, because they cannot assume that they are going to win. Okay, so he says it is better not to judge the events how they turn out to be. It is better that we put all our efforts, we become more industrious, means become more hardworking soldiers, and we put all our effort in the battlefield. Okay, so that will be better for us rather than judging that we are going to win and all. Okay, तो यहाँ पे सोल्जर कहता है, मैल्कॉम इन्हें कहता है कि टहनी लेके आगे बढ़ेंगे, तो इस पे सोल्जर सभी कहते हैं कि हाँ ऐसा ही करेंगे। यहाँ सिवार्ड कहता है कि हमें बस इतना ही पता चला है कि जो तानाशाही मैकबेथ है वो अपने ही किले में, डंसिनेन किले में ही बैठा हुआ है सुरक्षित, और वो वहां से हिलने वाला नहीं है जब तक कि सिवार्ड की आर्मी, मतलब मैल्कॉम की आर्मी उन्हें घेर नहीं लेती, उनके पूरे किले को घेर नहीं लेती, तब तक वो मैकबेथ जो है अपने ही कैसल में, अपने किले में ही बैठा रहेगा। यहाँ पे मैल्कॉम कहता है कि वही सबसे बड़ा उम्मीद है उनका। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा मैकबेथ कहाँ है, और इस प्रकार से वो जल्द ही उसे युद्ध में मात दे सकेंगे। यहाँ पे वो आगे कहता है, जितने भी उसके आर्मी, मतलब मैकबेथ की आर्मी में जितने भी लोग थे जो कि उच्च पद पर थे, मतलब कि जितने भी राजा थे, थेन्स थे, और जो छोटे लोग थे, मतलब जो कि जिनकी पावर कम थी, वो लोग भी इसकी आर्मी से मौका पाते ही भाग गए हैं। इनकी आर्मी से अब इनके मजदूर नहीं रहे, और बाकी अब जितने भी इसके आर्मी में है मैकबेथ की, वो बस हो सकता है मजबूरी में काम कर रहे हों उनके पास, या फिर ये हो सकता है उनके पास भी मैकबेथ की तरह दिल नहीं है। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे मैकडफ कहता है हमें पहले से ही चीजों को नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि चीजें कैसे निकल के आएंगी। इससे बेहतर है कि हम अपना पूरा मेहनत लगा दे, पूरे मेहनत से लड़ाई करें, बहुत ही मेहनती सिपाही बन जाए और आगे बढ़ें। ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट। Now over here, Siward says, the time approaches that will with the due decisions make us know what we shall say we have and what we owe. So Siward wanted to say that the time is arriving soon. Everything will be decided. When everything will be decided, and they will know what they actually have and what they have lost or what they need to pay for. They are of course talking about the soldiers and the things that are there, the kingship that is there. So whatever they will be left with will only be known once the battle ends. Thoughts speculative, their unsure hopes relate, but certain issue strokes must arbitrate, towards which advance the war. Here he says, our guesses and hopes. Speculative means the guesses that they are making and the hopes that they are. Of course, they are uncertain. We cannot, all our hopes and guesses do not come true all the time. Okay, it's not always 100% true. So he says that guesses and hopes are uncertain. Everything is uncertain. Once it is done, then we become certain about things. So he says, but the actual outcome that is going to be known is only when the battle ends and will be settled only by fighting. Without fighting, they are not going to know the results. Okay. Towards which advance the war. So let's move the army towards the battle. So they were standing before the woods, before the Birnam forest, and they were about to move towards the hill through the forest. So they say that let's move our army, let's not wait and move towards the battle. Okay. Here all of them exit marching. सिवाड़, यहाँ पे सिवाड़ कहता है वह समय करीब आ चुका है जहाँ पे साफ साफ सब कुछ तय हो जाएगा और आखिर हमारे पास क्या बचा है और हमें कितनी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, ये सब जंग के बाद ही, युद्ध के बाद ही पता चलेगा। वो कहता है सोच विचार सिर्फ केवल उम्मीदें देती है। मतलब इतना जो वो सोच विचार कर रहे हैं, गेस कर रहे हैं, होप कर रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ उम्मीद दे रही है, लेकिन असल में क्या होने वाला है वो किसी को नहीं पता। उससे नतीजे पे नहीं आया जा सकता। सिर्फ एक युद्ध ही है जिसकी वजह से वही नतीजा जो है एंड में जो होने वाला है वो तय करेगा युद्ध। इसलिए वो कहता है कि चलो अब हम आगे बढ़े, युद्ध के लिए अपने कदम बढ़ाएं। ठीक है। सो हियर वी एंड एक्ट 5 सीन 4। थैंक यू।